here are 5 front flip variations that you can learn today. Number 1, the front flip pike. The front flip pike is a normal front flip, but you keep your legs straight and grab your cars with your arms, which looks like this. And I'll just show you the front flip pike real quick. So all you gotta do is keep your legs straight and grab your cars to get into a pike position, and you got a front flip pike. For number 2, we have the straight front flip, which is a front flip, but your whole body is straight. I'll just show it to you real quick. So this is a straight front flip, and all you gotta do is you throw your heels harder and really try to keep your whole body straight. Additionally, you have to throw your arms harder in the front flip to get the rotation, and make sure to stop the rotation early enough, otherwise you'll probably over rotate it, and that happens pretty easily at the straight front flip. The third variation is a super fun one, and it's the knee front flip, and that's a front flip from your knees. It looks like this, and it's super easy. You drop to your knees and then do a front flip, and it works pretty similar as a regular front flip. The only difference is that you have to pull your hip up a little bit more to get the rotation. As number 4, we have the inward or dolphin front flip, which is a front flip, but you travel backwards. It looks like this. So as you saw, I traveled from this point on the trampoline all the way back here, and I'm able to do this because I pull my hip backwards. So for the dolphin front flip, you want to pull your hip backwards to travel backwards. Okay, last but not least, we have the front flip step out, and that's a front flip, but you step out of it, and it looks like this. So you do a normal front flip, but push one leg further and do a step out. And this variation is super fun, and you can go into a round off or a cartwheel afterwards. Alright, these were 5 front flip variations that you can learn today. Let me know down in the comments which of those variations is your favorite one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!